Push Dagger knives are compact, powerful self-defense tools designed for quick and effective use. Featuring a distinctive T-shaped handle and a double-edged blade, they offer a secure grip and formidable cutting power. Ideal for close-quarter situations, push daggers are popular among those seeking reliable personal protection and versatility in a compact, easily concealable form. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 9. CRKT Tecpatl Fixed Blade Push Dagger. Exemplifies tactical efficiency with its streamlined design and robust construction. Engineered for close quarters combat, it features a durable fixed blade made from high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring sharpness and resilience in demanding conditions. The ergonomic handle is crafted for a secure grip, facilitating precise handling and maneuverability during intense encounters. Its compact size and lightweight profile enhance portability, making it a reliable choice for both tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. The Tecpatl's blade geometry and sharp point are optimized for piercing and slashing motions, offering versatility in defensive and utility tasks. This CRKT push dagger embodies practicality and reliability, designed to meet the stringent demands of modern tactical operations with precision and effectiveness. Number 8. Gerber Ghostrike Punch Knife Black is a compact and discreet self-defense tool designed for versatile use. Featuring a skeletonized frame with a fixed blade made from 420 HC stainless steel, it offers durability and corrosion resistance. Its ergonomic handle and rubberized grip ensure a secure hold during use, enhancing control and comfort in tactical situations. The Ghostrike's sheath can be customized for various carry options, allowing for concealed or belt-mounted configurations. With a lightweight and minimalist design, this punch knife excels in close quarters combat and everyday tasks requiring precision and quick deployment. Gerber's attention to detail in ergonomics and functionality makes the Ghostrike punch knife a reliable choice for individuals seeking a compact and effective defensive tool for urban and outdoor environments alike. Number 7. Benchmade Mini SOCP Dagger is a compact and specialized tool designed for tactical applications and personal defense. Featuring a skeletonized design with a durable spear point blade made from premium CPM S30V stainless steel, it delivers exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its ergonomic handle and finger loop provide a secure grip and intuitive handling, enabling precise control during high-stress situations. The Mini SOCP includes a custom-molded sheath that allows for discreet and versatile carry options, ensuring quick access when needed. Ideal for military and law enforcement professionals, as well as civilians concerned with personal safety, the Benchmade Mini SOCP Dagger combines precision engineering with practical functionality, making it a dependable choice for those who prioritize performance and reliability in a compact, everyday carry defensive tool. Number 6. Cold Steel SafeMaker 1 Push Dagger Knife is a robust and reliable self-defense tool crafted for tactical use. Featuring a sturdy AUS-8 stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional strength and edge retention, ensuring durability in challenging conditions. The blade's spear point design allows for effective piercing and slashing maneuvers, ideal for close quarters combat scenarios. The ergonomic handle is contoured for a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing control during rapid deployment. The SafeMaker 1 comes with a versatile Secure X sheath for convenient carry options, whether concealed or on a belt, ensuring quick access when needed most. Number 5. Schrade SCHF 50 Mini Push Dagger Fixed Blade Knife is a compact and versatile self-defense tool designed for tactical use. Featuring a tough 8 Cure 13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel blade, it delivers excellent edge retention and durability for sustained performance. The blade's double-edged design enhances its effectiveness in close quarters combat, allowing for precise piercing and slashing maneuvers. The ergonomic handle is crafted from textured TPE for a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring optimal control during use. The SCH-50 includes a thermoplastic sheath with a neck chain, offering convenient and discreet carry options for easy access in critical situations. With its lightweight and robust construction, the Schrade SCH-50 Mini Push Dagger is an ideal choice for individuals seeking a compact and reliable defensive tool that excels in both utility and self-defense applications. Number 4. VZ Punch Dagger is a compact and formidable self-defense tool designed for tactical efficiency. Featuring a sturdy blade made from high-quality stainless steel, it offers durability and sharpness for reliable performance in critical situations. Its ergonomic handle is designed for a secure grip, enhancing control and precision during defensive maneuvers. The Punch Dagger's minimalist design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and deploy, ideal for discreet self-protection and close-quarters combat scenarios. With a sheath that allows for versatile carry options, including belt and neck configurations, it ensures quick and convenient access when needed. The VZ Punch Dagger combines practicality with reliability, making it a practical choice for individuals prioritizing personal safety in urban and outdoor environments alike. Number 3. Ontario Knife Company Ranger Kerambit is a purpose-built tactical knife designed for versatile utility and self-defense. Crafted from durable 1075 carbon steel, its curved blade profile ensures exceptional strength and sharpness, optimized for slicing and piercing tasks. The ergonomic handle features textured G10 scales, providing a secure and comfortable grip that enhances control during use. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and maneuver, ideal for tactical operations and everyday carry scenarios. The Ranger Kerambit includes a durable nylon sheath for convenient and secure carry options, ensuring quick access when needed. Whether used by military personnel, law enforcement, or civilians, this knife embodies Ontario Knife Company's commitment to quality craftsmanship and functionality, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a robust and effective tool for both utility and defensive purposes. Number 2. Fox Knives Dart is a precision-crafted tactical knife renowned for its effectiveness and versatility. Featuring a sleek and robust design, it boasts a blade made from premium N690 Co stainless steel, known for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The Dart's Tanto-style blade profile offers exceptional piercing capability, making it ideal for tactical and self-defense applications. Its ergonomic handle is crafted from durable G10 material, providing a comfortable and secure grip for precise handling in critical situations. This knife is complemented by a secure Kydex sheath that facilitates multiple carry options, ensuring quick and reliable access when needed. The Fox Knives Dart exemplifies Italian craftsmanship and innovation, making it a preferred choice among professionals and enthusiasts seeking a high-performance knife that excels in both utility and tactical scenarios. Number 1. Boker Plus TUF is a rugged and versatile fixed-blade knife designed for tactical and outdoor use. Crafted from tough 440C stainless steel, its full-tang construction ensures durability and strength for demanding tasks. The drop-point blade profile offers a balanced combination of slicing and piercing capabilities, making it effective for a variety of cutting chores. The ergonomic handle is made from textured G10 scales, providing a secure and comfortable grip that enhances control during use. With a robust build and corrosion-resistant finish, the Boker Plus TUF excels in harsh environments and tactical operations. It includes a Kydex sheath with multiple attachment options for versatile carry, ensuring convenient access and readiness in any situation. The Boker Plus TUF embodies German engineering and craftsmanship, delivering a reliable and high-performance tool for both professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike.